Let's talk about the perfect beginner-friendly program that is helping absolute beginners with no experience and no following learn how to earn millions of dollars a month over the last couple of months. Hey there, if we haven't met, I'm Greg. I'm a dad of 3 teens. I'm a husband. I love Jesus, and I am passionate about helping people generate extra income online. All right, so I know it sounds a little crazy, but it's absolutely true. You don't need any special skills to get started in this program. What I outlined for you in this video are the reasons why this program is so beginner friendly and how all of these beginners were able to earn millions of dollars in just the last few months. The number one reason why I chose this program is that it is beginner friendly. So it's perfect for someone like you and for me, someone who doesn't have any tech experience or a background in doing digital marketing. The products you sell in this program are already completely done for you, and they're in high demand. So there is already an existing market for them, which makes it even easier for beginners to tap into. This is a completely proven system, and you don't even have to pay for ads. In fact, there's not even any monthly fees. I was able to get my business up and running in under 48 hours by following the simple step-by-step instructions. Every successful beginner in our program started right where you are. So why wouldn't you be able to do the exact same thing? So if you're interested in getting plugged into this amazing program, but you want more info, please comment ready down below and I'll send you over all the details so you can watch a video that breaks down all of the information you need to see if this is a good fit for you.